Hi everyone, my name is Amy, and in this video, I'll show you how to add the Poppers LinkedIn recommendation widget to your Wix website. LinkedIn recommendation widget helps you display testimonials in a more professional way, build trust with visitors, and make your website feel more credible. So let's get started. First, go to your Popper dashboard. Once you're there, click on Widgets from the left sidebar, and then click Create New Widget. Now search for LinkedIn recommendation in the widget library and open it. Now choose a layout according to your preference, and the widget editor will open. On the left side, you'll see the widget settings, and on the right side, you'll see the widget preview. In the Content tab, you can edit the widget title and add more recommendations by clicking the Add button. You can also edit each recommendation by changing the name, recommendation text, profile photo, and headline. Next, go to the Templates tab, where you can switch between different templates. In the Appearance tab, you can change the colors for the card background, text, and primary. You can also enable or disable the navigation arrows under Navigation. In the Shape section, you can adjust the card border radius. Once you're happy with the customization, click Publish Widget. After that, copy the code and go to your Wix site editor. Now add a Embed HTML block, paste your installation code inside it, and click Apply. Finally, publish your website. Once your website is live, refresh the page, and your widget will appear successfully. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.